And we're underway. Let's see what map we're going to. Looks like Vikendi. Some more people loading in. Check that jump line. It's not great. And I just walked off the cliff without even noticing it. Whoops. That moment when you jump into the abyss because you think it's a good idea. Alright. Alright. Looks like we're going to Zabava. That's a little too quiet. No, I think maybe I can make it. See if I can get a little lower. That's the maximum. Nope, we're not going there. Back down towards these houses. I saw 2 squads. Don't know what they're watching, but I'm not gonna have everybody listening to that for the duration of the video. Oh shit. Like, of course I can't get to you in time, so I just have to run. That did not go according to plan. When in doubt, run. Another Uzi. course there's a cliff in front of me. Just gotta stay alive and make it. Oh no, I'm not going through there. Oh, that was a little stressful. I cannot explain how I am alive or how lucky I am right there. I can't tell you guys, this stress is real. See how long I can do this for. Nothing to quite like Lone Survivoring it. As we keep running along the edge of the play zone. That is very stressful. I don't know which way the zone's moving, guys. I'm not worried about any airdrops. I'm just trying to stay alive. There's something I can use. Always be ready. That. I know, guys, I drive like an inebriated man. Low. Bunker down in here for a little bit. Wait to see which way that zone's gonna move. A lot of deaths have slowed down. Looks like the play zone is killing people. Yep, I hear those shots. You gotta be close. Probably not close enough for me to see with this. But at least I have something. I have the door open, let people think you're here. Oh, that somebody's already looted this. That should pass me by. Zone is moving. I know, guys, really, really quiet. Uneventful. Can't tell if it's moving out there or not. Doesn't look like there is. It's stressful. When your squad dies, it gets stressful. You have to either, well, quite literally nut up or shut up. I don't know which way that drop went. I'm not going anywhere near that. That'll be suicide. Wow, just finally found a low 2 helm. I'll get that off the screen. You can't see me through the crates. Over that way somewhere. Yeah, behind that house, I can't see them. Let them fight it out. Let them fight over the airdrop. I'm gonna stay here where it's safe. I know this is dirty, but let's see if I can lob that out the window. Draw some attention over here. Get in here and just got him down that way. What do I have on this? What was the brake? Yeah. So far in they have to move. It's not close enough for me to feel comfortable going after it. We're down at those houses over there. I see them. I did see them. Oh, it's not them. Definitely off over the northwest region of the map. Right, and those houses right over there. That's some movement. Gonna move up. Actually, no, I'm gonna stick to where I have the advantage. Survival rule number 1. Do not take unnecessary risk. Where are they shooting at? Who are they shooting at? That's getting further out. Not many of us alive. Well, if I can flank them, and I'm going to try, I might be able to take out a couple before they get me. So there's a vehicle there that they were shooting at. Where are they? Definitely gotta be in those houses down there. There's a body there. Don't see anybody. Can move up. Whoops, not me to do that. Ah, I see. That's where the drop landed. We'll go blocking their door. Body there, body there. Oh, when the plate zone moves, I'll gun them down. Can't be more than a couple. I spotted one. There's two. Saw the other one go down. Now there's another person around here somewhere. It's gotta be on the move. Move back to one of these rocks for safety. Ooh, right at my side. Right at my side. That's a good shot. I don't see him. Stick to cover. You can't see them, usually they can't see you. Get off that way. Why did I stop running? Make it into the zone. That was a personal drop. Not going to go anywhere near that. Well, actually, no, it wasn't personal. It was just a regular old drop. sure you can get where you're at. In case we need a ditch. Poison is moving. I'm in. Keep an eye out for any movement. Move it this way. Get to these rocks. Crouch down behind. Oh, bugger. You can see him. Oh well.